everyone, I'm Taylor, CEO of askelle, and today I am going to focus a little bit more on showing you how to start a proposal with askelle. So if you followed along on our dashboard navigation, you can see that we're on the main page that you get to when you log in. But I'm going to dive a little deeper of how you actually start creating a proposal yourself. So on the left side of the dashboard, you can get started right away. You don't need to click it anywhere. You are where you need to be. So first you're going to put in a proposal name. So I'm going to type in askelle demo video, and then you are going to be prompted to upload some secure documents that will add context to the questions that you ask the LL. So you have a couple options here. You can upload new documents, or you can search your documents that you've already uploaded. For the sake of me, I'm going to upload these for our context, and I'm going to press done. So I have 3 out of 5 allowable downloads that we are able to put in. There's a couple other options that you can click through as well to add descriptions or change your proposal type. I'm going to say that we're going to apply for a grant, and I'm going to change that. And you can choose a due date or a reporting date. For me, I'm going to make a report or due date of the 1st of March, just for the sake of us working through this. And the next step is to begin asking questions. So you're going to click this button right here that says next, and you are going to be prompted to this page right here. So this is where you ask your questions on the current funding proposal you are working on. So this little icon here is just saying that this is the proposal that you're working on and to get started. A few other things that are on this page that are of note before we get started is this little question mark in the bottom right hand corner here, which has a lot of this helpful advice that was originally on the dashboard as well. These are some tools and tricks that our team has curated together to help you through the process and what the best practices are of engaging with askelle, and they're here and convenient for you for whenever you need to check in on how to work through. The other thing is this little icon right here that will just confirm for you which proposal you are currently working on in case it's not clear. And if you need to move to a different proposal, you can click Edit Proposal. So let's get started. What would we like to ask askelle? We are going to ask, what is the problem that askelle is addressing for its customers? Now let's see what comes up. You do have a few options as well on the question that you ask. So you do have an option to either copy this question to a clipboard where you can copy and paste it anywhere that you like, or you can actually edit this. Like say you phrase something wrong or you want to adjust the vocabulary or the grammar or anything like that. You can click and then you can press re-enter if you'd like. I'm not going to change it for the sake of wanting to keep going through this program, but this is what we've got here. So this is the response that I got back. Okay, a little longer than I wanted it to be, but overall we've got something that we have here. So you have a couple options that you can take here. What you can do is you can actually click this to copy it to a clipboard and use it anywhere you. Or what you can do, you can save it as you'd like now. But another option, which is something that's nice and unique to askelle, is that you can edit your response. What's going to happen when you edit your response, as well as if you save it or delete it, is that the askelle product is going to learn more and more about your unique business, how you like to respond to things, your tone, your trends, your language, and it's going to learn. So it's going to respond better and better. So the more feedback that you can provide it, the better overall. So for me, I really wanted a nice, quick, short, and concise response to what the problem is. So for me to edit, I just actually want to delete this. I very much want to keep this, and I'm just going to use this for the sake of this discussion today. You do have some options to create columns, rows, tables, all those things like that, to build it bigger and better, and so it'll learn from that too. But here you can just click when you've decided that you like the response that you have. You can click Save. And what you can do from here You can see all your saved responses clicking this little icon here. You can download the response as a PDF. So you could take this and you can download it, so you can record it wherever you'd like. See, it's going to show up here as a download. You can delete, and however you'd like to go about it. That is how you create and start a proposal. You would continue to ask your questions related to your proposal that you have here. If you ever need to navigate to a different proposal, for example, what you can do is you can click down into here, and you can go to proposals library. So you can find all the proposals that you've currently worked on. You can find the most active one, and you can start working through that here. You have an option to click on this vertical ellipses here, and you can edit the proposal. So you can change which documents you have uploaded in case you don't like it, change the name, anything like that. You can delete it if you don't want to work on it anymore, or you can click work on, and you'll just get prompted back to this same page here. A couple more things that are relevant about proposals is that you will be able to find where you've uploaded your documents, as well as your responses right here. Your document library you can find on the left here, as well as your response library. We do have some more videos that kind of go through that a little bit, so I'm not going to dive too deep into it, but feel free to watch those videos about how to create, upload, and delete documents, as well as responses. Thanks, everybody.